In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust torch brightness on Google Pixel. So first of all, on your Google Pixel, just swipe down for control center and tap and hold torch icon. As you can see, here's the torch adjustment icon, and as you can see, my torch is turned on, and I can adjust torch from here. Just swipe down and swipe up. As you can see, all the up. As you can see, it's adjusted, and as you can see you can adjust torch here. So for that you need to update Android operating. For example, as you can see, mine one is as you can see, it is 17 Android 17 updated. So if you update your Android version, then you can access this new feature here. As you can see, you can adjust torch brightness. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next